Hi everyone, my name is Sharanyaswada. I'm an AI engineer at QpiAI. In this video, I'll show you how subagents work and how you can use them in just a few steps. Subagents. What are subagents? Subagents are specialized AI agents designed to handle focused tasks. Each subagent has its own capabilities, tools, boundaries, and safety rules, making them reliable and enterprise-ready. Agent Hive also comes with a set of predefined subagents out of the box. These agents are pre-configured for common use cases, allowing you to start working immediately without any setup. You can use them as it is, or you can customize them, or you can create your own specialized agents. In Agent Hive, you can create subagents in two ways: manual creation or create with AI. Let's start with manual creation. Click on Create New. In the first step, you'll be giving all the basic information about your agent. In this video, I'll be creating a Financial Data Analyst agent. And the next step is capabilities. Capabilities define what tasks the agent is allowed to perform. Here, I want my Financial Data Analyst agent to perform market analysis, financial modeling, risk assessment, data validation, and report generation. I'll be adding all these capabilities here. After adding all the capabilities, the next step is methodology. Methodology defines how the agent approaches and solves these tasks. Here you can add all the steps how it has to perform. If you don't want to add any steps, you can just skip it. I have added my agent's approach here. And the next step is boundaries. Boundaries define what a subagent must and must not do, ensuring it stays within safe and approved limits. Here, I'll be defining few limits. I have defined few restrictions to focus only on analysis and insights, not to provide any advice or make any trading recommendations, and to always include this risk disclaimers in reports. And the next step is tool permissions. Tool permissions control which tools the agent can have access and how, giving you the complete control. These are few predefined tools. You can also add your custom tool right here. If you don't want your agent to have access to these tools, you can just click on Disallow. Guardrails add this enterprise-grade control by validating inputs, actions, and outputs at different stages of execution. When you enable it, you can choose how your violations are handled. You can enable fail fast, which means immediately it stops the execution when the guardrail is triggered. The log all means it allows execution to continue but logs violations for auditing. There are three types of guardrails you can add. First is code guardrail. This code guardrail protect your system by blocking unsafe or unrestricted code before it can run. They can inspect the context using this reject pattern or keywords across multiple stages. You can configure the hook points. Hook points define when a guardrail is applied, at the time of input, or at the tool execution, or at the time of response, or at the end. And the second type is LLM Judge. LLM Judge ensures all inputs and outputs follow safety, compliance, and policy rules. Actions on failure, you have to choose option here. Either it has to block, warn, modify, or escalate. Adding these tool filters for which tools this guardrail is getting applied to. If you don't add any tool filter, it will apply to all tools. And in the system prompt, you will be describing how the judge evaluates the content. And in the user prompt, you will be passing the content for review. And you'll be giving a condition if it's safe. What action should it do? Should it warn, block, allow, or escalate? And the third type is Agent Judge. Agent Judge violates the quality and correctness of outputs using the second AI agent. Add a evaluator agent from already pre-existing agents. You give the clear instructions defining the quality expectations and policies the output must comply with. These are the three types of guardrails. For now, I'll be enabling the guardrails with the fail fast. In the next, settings. By enabling memory, it allows the agents to retain the context across the conversations. Once everything is configured, you can save the agent, click on Create Agent. You can see the created agents within custom agents. In this video, we saw how to create the sub-agents manually. In the next video, we'll show you how to create the sub-agents using AI and how to put them to work directly in chat. Stay tuned.